This is my 2025 WR450F. Today we'll be installing the Competition ECU. It has a throttle stop screw. You take out this baffle, this inner baffle, and then take out a snorkel in the intake. Swap the throttle stop screw, this little guy, in the ECU. That way we have more than about an 1/8 throttle. That's all it goes. It has us pull the air filter out and remove the glued-in intake boot. This is the part number for the kit. So they say this intake boot is glued into this baffle. I believe this whole white thing comes out. That would be correct. So here's your intake baffle. It was just glued in. I think I was supposed to pull this whole thing. We're gonna chuck that in the trash. So here's the intake with the intake baffle removed. No glue fell down in there. I had it plugged off. Next step is to remove the factory ECU and install the aftermarket one. You see it's located under the battery. I think we gotta pull all these fenders off. These are 8mm. This is an Allen wrench, number 5. We're gonna disconnect the negative terminal. Remove the battery tray, 2 bolts. think the ECU just slides out of this rubber. Yep, just pries out of there. There it is. Then we take the new one and put the new one in. Here's your throttle stop screw. Looks like you push it all the way to the edge. Just until it overhangs. That plugs back in. So you hear it click. That's all put back together. Goes back on these little clips. Throttle stop screw is the left side of the machine. Is this screw right here. It's a T25 safety Torx. This is a T25 safety Torx. It's hollow in the center. T25. 1/4 inch wrench. Just like that, it's loose. We'll see if we can spin it out by hand. There you can see it's coming out. Hopefully it's not too long. There it is. There's the throttle stop screw. Directions say to install the screw and tighten it. Here's the new throttle stop screw. Looks like it's an Allen wrench. It's a number 4 Allen wrench. We'll thread that in, then snug it up with the wrench. We'll snug it up. That's snug. That is the new throttle stop screw. If we come up here, Much better. Check that out. We actually get some throttle. Only thing left is to drill out this little tailpipe here. So let's get on to that. That'll be uncorked. The next step is to remove the end cap and drill off the muffler restrictor. Number 3 Allen wrench. Hopefully this just pops off. There you go. That was 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen wrenches. Next step is to drill out these rivets. Drill out rivets. We're gonna use a number 20 drill bit. There's the head. So that's your restrictor. Now we need to find 2 rivets. We got 1 with the core, 2 with the core. So this is now the tailpipe with the restrictor removed. We'll just clean up these little shavings and put the end cap on. We're gonna put a little anti-seize on these bolts, just a dab. Just a little dab on each one. Let's get these started. They give you recommended settings. So we'll put the plastics on and then put these settings in. Joke. Start snugging these up. Next step is to put the seat on. Terminals are tight. And your seat has clips here and a clip here. So make sure you get all these slide clips in. Next step is tune the new ECU. This is with your restrictor removed. Here's your intake baffle, restrictor, ECU, and factory throttle stop screw. To connect your app, you need the serial number off the CCU. This is your CCU, and you enter your serial number in the app. Open your Power Tuner app, bump the starter, go to your Wi-Fi, and connect to your bike. It's named as a GYTR Power Tuner. In your app, click the plus, scroll down to WR450F GYTR Kit. This one's a 2025. So these are the preloaded maps. Doesn't look like the one they recommend. We should be able to add a map. Uncork Mod. So they're recommending for exhaust and airbox mod, traction control off, and then in the mod we input these numbers. Here's the map they recommend for map number 1. Click your upload button. Once you successfully load a map, it'll say successful, and they want traction control on for map 2. Map 1, map 2. That's how you untame the beast. She's finally a 450. Much quicker. Good throttle response.